Alright, so as you probably saw by the title or thumbnail, I'm going down to Wagga Wagga to pick up my Grandad's HG panel van. It's quite early in the morning, it's quite chilly. I'm waiting on the side of the road with all of my filming gear to be picked up in an absolute nugget of a Prado to do the 12 or so hour drive down there to grab this thing. I'm really interested to see what condition it's in. Let's get going. Here we go, getting picked up. Alright, so trailer's hooked up and off we go.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we made it, and other than having a brief incident with a fuse blowing for the tail lights, meaning that the trailer had no lights at night time, which we ended up having to sacrifice the aircon fuse to replace that because we didn't have any other fuses. That was the only hiccup, but anyway, we're here. I'm going to go to bed and we'll go pick up this car in the morning. It's the next morning. We're now going to head off to Bunnings to get some ratchet straps and stuff, and then we will head and go have a look at this car. This
It's dust.
There may still be oil in the engine. There's some oil.
It's incredible that that's how the oil used to go in.
What do you mean?
Just straight down through.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now you don't chuck it down through the, maybe.
Yeah, you do.
I can actually see like the top of the...
Yeah. The valve train. They're the V8s out of the newer Commodores.
That's what you're talking about.
Yeah. Alright, so it's the Monday morning. Car's on the trailer. And we're off. We'll see whether we make it home today. We may have to stop. But we're leaving early because we probably won't be able to do much over 80 on the highway. Wish us luck. Well, there we go. Picked it up. I've just been dropped home. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get it off the trailer. But we made it back in one piece, and the car is also in one piece, so that's good. I suppose I will now cut to tomorrow, but I'm actually about to go to bed.